6 ways to master your empathic abilities and be a skilled empath. Hello guys, before we talk more about how we can train your empathic abilities, I want to remind you that this video is a remake of a previous video. The truth is, I received a few complaints regarding the voiceover quality on that video, so I decided to create another one for you. This is because the topic is quite crucial for all empaths, so I want you to understand what's inside this topic, guys. Well, we do know that empaths have wonderful strengths that stand out compared to others, and developing your empathic abilities can undoubtedly aid you in many aspects of your life. These include building compassion, nurturing intuition, and developing a deep connection to other people and the earth. Being an empath without knowing how to use your ability can only weaken your mind and body. It's because you're deeply affected by emotions and energy on your surroundings. So, without proper control and mastering some protection techniques, empathic abilities are equal to incessant pain, roller coaster emotions, and constant exhaustion. On the other hand, a trained empath with strategic and energy-saving tools are unstoppable. So how can you go from being an overwhelmed empath to becoming a skilled empath? Well, there's no exact science to this guide, but these techniques will surely be useful for your development as an empath. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this cool video, don't forget to like and share this video so more empaths can train themselves to become a skilled empath. 1. Understand when you're in the burdened phase. Almost all empaths may experience this upon discovering their special abilities. It's the phase where you feel that your sensitivity is like a burden, a deficiency, or something that you need to get rid of. Deep down in your heart, you know that you're more sensitive than others, but if you try to ignore your feelings because you want to be like other people. At this time, you may just discover that you're an empath, or you may not even know about this. Either way, you know that something is wrong within you. What you need to do is surrender. Relax your body, take a deep breath, and surrender to whatever you're feeling without resisting it. However, you may be conscious of it. Understand the pain that you're feeling and how it happens. 2. Observe. After you allow yourself to feel all the pains and emotions within you consciously, it's time to do a little observation. Try to understand why you're feeling those emotions in the first place. What are the triggers? What do they look like, sound like, smell like, or even taste like? Use your 5 senses to build a tangible image of them, and then you'll be able to come up with a countermeasure to protect yourself. For example, the anxiety may make you feel really sick to the point where you're unable to do things. Or the overwhelming emotions seem like a horrid suffocating sound and make you all sweaty. Remember, it's easier said than done to simply allow the feelings to come and go like flowing water. And to observe these emotions without becoming attached to them is even harder. 3. Move on to the basic self-care phase. Now you know that it's useless to resist your feelings, and finally, you decide to surrender and just feel the emotions within you. Then it's time to take better care of yourself. This kind of self-care is basically useful in any kind of problems, whether you're an empath or not. I mean, now that you know about your situations, you can start to avoid such overstimulating environments or making some me time to rest your mind and digest things. Basically, do whatever you can to make peace with your sensitivity. By this point, you basically realize that you function better if you limit your daily dose of stimulation. 4. The energy healing phase. You must know that simply avoiding the triggers is not enough. There are times when you have to go no matter what. Therefore, learning some practices to restore your energy is necessary. For example, you can practice some meditation that may help ease your mind and release some negative emotions. And combined with proper shielding techniques will definitely help you to keep other people's energy out of your own space. 5. Training and gaining control of your empathic ability. Now you know that being an empath is not easy, and so you need to learn how you can use your ability without affecting much of your conditions. It's about how you reprogram your subconsciousness to allow and stop absorbing everyone's emotions and pain. It's not an easy task, of course, but you will finally be able to grasp the feelings of being an empath. You may feel more at ease, less overwhelmed when you're in crowds, and even more comfortable in your own skin. Eventually, you will have more control over your ability where you can apply them quickly. Now you have some ways to understand people's energy without getting exhausted. This will give you a unique ability that makes you understand people better and help them in any way. Not to mention, as you're taking control of your daily life, you will experience a better life than ever. 6. gaining clarity and total understanding. As you learn how to control your empathic ability, you can now walk in peace in the crowds without getting overwhelmed at all. You can sense other people's emotions without the needs to take one of those emotions. You may need to go deeper and pick up on those emotions to see if there's anything you can do. And if you did pick something up, you can release the emotions quickly. By this point, you can clearly differentiate between your own emotions from those of others. You absorb less energy while you're more aware of the energy in your surroundings. Congratulations, you just became a skilled empath. Now you realize that being an empath is a way of life. You'll need to continuously check in yourself and release those energies that don't belong to you. Just remember that the work is not over, it's only the beginning. Well, those are 6 ways to train your empathic abilities and be a skilled empath. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoy watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our notification squad. Thanks for watching.